In sales, you tend to eat on the fly a lot. And, you get to a point where your body's crashing or you've been hung up with customers all day long. And I just got to hurry up and grab something. That's the kind of, it's funny, man, as active as we are in sales, how overweight we are. And the reason being is for two things. Number one, you let your body crash. And number two, I think we emotionally eat, meaning that we just worked for 2, 3, 4 hours or worked all day and didn't make a sale. And so when we do eat, we treat ourselves to help ourselves emotionally feel better. So one thing, man, that'll kind of help you stabilize is try to bring your lunch. I wasn't a guy, man, who really cooked all my foods before, for the whole week. I've tried it all, and those things just didn't work for me. But if you eat on the fly and you have to eat so fast anyway, just try to eat foods, man, that keep you going. But you have to eat so fast you're not going to enjoy them anyway. Not meaning that you eat something that you don't like, is that you just eat the things that make you feel full, that bring you the most benefits. Because I never understood the guys that eat steak at work. Why eat steak at work? Because you're in between 2 or 3 or 4 deals. You can't even enjoy a steak. You're gonna wolf it down. We eat like we're in prison. We eat very fast. So why even do that? So get the foods, man, that and I'm just gonna show you like what I bring every single day. Like for lunch, man, I eat spinach. I eat a plate of spinach. I eat avocado every single day. I put that on my spinach. Normally I'll get like one of those vegetable bean patty burgers. Get the spicy kind though. The regulars, they're not very good at all. Then during the day as a sweet, I get key lime yogurt. I love key lime. The Sargentos, I just got this. Usually I eat the P3s. But it's just something, man, just to kind of keep you going, keep you rolling. And then I'm big on granola, and I get the different ones. But I get the granola, this one's the kind granola bar. And then I get almond butter also. And then also, big thing, don't drink your calories, dude. Don't drink an iced tea. Don't drink a fruit juice. All that shit's got calories in it. Just, I drink these, and they keep me going. And I'm not drinking my calories. I'm not a guy who can just drink plain water. You know your body. You know what you like. You know what you don't like. Your taste buds will change. So get with something that is good for you. You're cool with it. You enjoy it, but it brings the most benefits. The last thing you want to do, man, is go get fried food. All you're doing is you're adding to the problem. You're gonna make the situation worse. So I'm not gonna preach about that. But if you this is how my bag looks. So this is what I bring every day. And so, but I'm preloaded, so that way if I'm busy, I don't have to worry about what I'm gonna eat. I don't have to worry about what I'm gonna send somebody to go get me something to eat or run and go get something. I already have it. And if I get super, super hungry, usually I overpack a little bit. That way I have some extra, and I can eat the good things. And I always said, man, when I lost my 70 pounds, if you can eat as much as you want. This is the permission I gave myself. Eat as much as you want, but just make sure it's the right foods. And so I kind of live by that. I don't live on a handful of this. No, if I eat, I'm satisfied. I'll overpack a little bit just in case I still want some more. So hopefully that helps you. Stay amazing. Stay in the sales life.